mentality? The answer to it is believe in yourself. Only if it was that easy. We never think we are worthy of anything we want to achieve in life.
Today we are going to talk about the incredible power that lies within each of us. And that all starts with a simple choice. You need to have faith in yourself to lead a peaceful life, and what is better than a peaceful mind?
Let's begin today's assembly by seeking the blessings of Almighty. Every achievement started with one small step outside the familiar. The butterfly leaves its cocoon. The bird leaves its nest and the seed breaks through the soil. Not because growth demands perfection, but because it demands courage to move out of your comfort zone.
Now let us invite Vatsala and Bhavesh for thought of the day.
Trust in yourself. Your perceptions are far more accurate than you are willing to believe in. A dream remains just a dream until you gather the courage to chase it. Success is not found in comfort. It is discovered where courage begins. Thank you.
Thank you for that inspiring thought.
Poetry is the blood of literature, and literature is the symbol of hope and belief. Now let us invite Anshika and Akansh for a beautiful Hindi poem.
सुप्रभात। हमारी कविता का शीर्षक है भरोसा रख तू खुद पर।
भरोसा रख तू खुद पर, खुदा भी मेहरबान होगा। भरोसा रख तू खुद पर, खुदा भी मेहरबान होगा। जीत की महफिल मिलेगी, हर जगह तेरा नाम होगा।
किस्मत भी तेरे आगे इज्जत से सर झुकाएगी। किस्मत भी तेरे आगे इज्जत से सर झुकाएगी, तेरी कोशिशों के आगे वो अपने पैंतरे ना आजमाएगी।
हताश होकर ना बैठना कभी, बस लक्ष्य पर निगाहें रखना। हताश होकर ना बैठना कभी, बस लक्ष्य पर निगाहें रखना। धनुष की प्रत्यंचा पर तुम बाण को सजाए रखना।
बार बार कोशिशों से तो चिड़िया भी दाना चुगे, बार बार कोशिशों से तो चिड़िया भी दाना चुगे। हम तो ठहरे इंसान यारों, फिर जीत क्यों हमको ना मिले।
मेहनत के बाद सफलता का अंदाज भी कुछ अलग होगा। मेहनत के बाद सफलता का अंदाज भी कुछ अलग होगा। अखबारों के पन्नों में सिर्फ तेरा ही अल्फाज होगा।
भरोसा रख तू खुद पर, खुदा भी मेहरबान होगा। भरोसा रख तू खुद पर, खुदा भी मेहरबान होगा। जीत की महफिल मिलेगी, हर जगह तेरा नाम होगा। जीत की महफिल मिलेगी, हर जगह तेरा नाम होगा। धन्यवाद।
The wonderful Hindi poem really paced all our hearts down.
Action are stronger than words. A person who have faith and believe on themselves, they do not need to shout and tell the world about it. Now let us invite my talented friends for a wonderful skit.
The boy wanders around his world. He picks up imaginary things, looks at imaginary birds, examines imaginary flowers. Everything fascinates him until he notices the door. He freezes. Ever since he could remember, there had always been a door. Nobody knew what lay beyond it, which, of course, made him want to know even more. The boy slowly walks towards it, raises a trembling hand. Just before touching it,
Don't! Beyond that door, there are monsters with eyes bigger than your head. One look and you will never smile again.
the boy immediately withdraws. Maybe tomorrow. He returns, looks back. Time passes. Again, he notices the door. This time, he walks faster. Hand reaches again.
Careful, the ground disappears over there. One wrong step and you will fall forever. No one has ever returned.
The boy jumps back. Perhaps I am not ready yet. Time passes again. The boy cannot stop looking. He gathers courage, walks, almost crosses.
You think you are brave? Beyond this door, everyone laughs at people who fail. You'll embarrass yourself. Stay where it's safe.
The boy slowly lowers his head, returns, sits beside the door, watching it, wondering. A cheerful tune hums softly. The girl skips onto stage. She notices everything with childlike wonder.
A door.
A door. Interesting. There must be something wonderful waiting. Only one way to know. She walks confidently towards it. Immediately.
Don't! Monsters!
You will fall forever.
You will fail. You will regret it.
Turn back.
Stay safe. Don't go that way.
The girl pauses, looks afraid, takes one step back. They're loud, maybe they're right, but they've never even crossed it. She takes one step forward. The old men repeat their warnings, softer this time.
Don't. Stay back.
What if my courage is louder? She walks steadily without rushing. The voices become whispers.
Don't. Careful. Stay.
She crosses the doorway, turns around. Nothing happened. She laughs. reaches her hand back towards the boy. No words, just a warm smile.
The boy gets up, looks at the old men. They stand silently now, powerless. He looks at the girl, walks towards the door. The old men try to speak, but no sound comes out. The door was never locked.
Only his belief was.
The world beyond fear doesn't belong to the fearless.
It belongs to those who believe that they can take one more step.
It could change your life by opening doors you never knew were there.
As you step out of your comfort zone, you will see new opportunities previously obscured by barriers of your own making.
Thank you.
Thank you for the meaningful performance. The message is clear. Growth begins where the comfort ends.
Strong words said with confidence could change the mind of millions. So now let us invite Gitik and Sonakshi for a brilliant speech.
Imagine standing at the edge of a high diving board, looking down at that clear water. That nervous, butterflies in your stomach feeling is exactly what it's like when we step outside of our comfort zone. Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered why we spend so much time running away from that feeling? Well, we love our cozy and predictable routines because they make us feel safe. But here's the truth. Staying hidden in that safe bubble means we never get to discover how fast, how far, or how high we can actually go.
Having faith in your potential isn't about being completely fearless, nor is it about pretending that you have all the answers figured out from day one. It's simply about trusting your ability to figure things out as you go along. Think back to the first time you tried riding a bicycle, learning a new sport, or tackling a difficult problem. You probably wobbled, made mistakes, or got it completely wrong at first. But you didn't let that define you. You adjusted, got back up, and kept going. Stepping out of your comfort zone works the exact same way.
So whether that means raising your hand to speak up in a crowded room, stepping onto a stage, or pursuing a goal that feels bigger, every single risk you take builds a braver and stronger version of who you are. Discomfort is not a sign that you're failing. It's just a proof that you're expanding your boundaries and reaching new heights.
The people who change the world, the ones we read about in our textbooks, weren't born as superheroes with special powers. They were ordinary kids who chose to embrace the hard way of learning, pushed past their own doubts, and kept going, even when they were terrified.
So let's drop the excuses, step off the easy path, and stop letting the fear of making a mistake hold us back. Believing in yourself is a choice you make every single day.
Let's make that choice today. Step proudly into the unknown and prove to ourselves just how much magic happens when we dare to try.
Thank you.
Thank you for those motivational words, Sonakshi and Gitika. May we all remember that confidence grows only when we dare to take the first step. Music has the magical power to uplift every heart. Now, I invite my friend for a motivational and wonderful melody.
That was such a motivating melody.
When confidence meets rhythm, every moment becomes a celebration of courage. Please put your hands together for our next energetic performance.
इतना पढ़ना कि जब सामने वाला तुमसे बात करे तो उसके पैसे का अभिमान तुम्हारे ज्ञान के सामने छोटा पड़ जाए।
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों में सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों में सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं उतने सहने की ताकत है। तानों के भी शोर में रहकर सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं। तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे?
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किल
wonderful performance.
Every successful person was once afraid to take the first step. May we all remember from today's assembly that confidence to chase our dream embraces challenges and never stop believing in yourself.
Now I would request our respected principal ma'am to please come up on the stage and say a few words.
A very good morning, students and teachers. Did you all understand the assembly? Yes, sir. Can someone tell me what are we talking about? Believe in yourself. Somebody else? Girls this side? Have faith. Accept challenges. And if that happens, success is yours. You need not be scared, unsure, or feel that I cannot do it. You can do it if you believe in yourself and cross that one very thin line of can and cannot. This topic was wonderful and each one must reflect on it. Whether it is a class 6 student or a 10th class student. Anything small or big. If you believe in yourself, you accept the challenge, success is yours surely. Well